startup. Oh, here we go. We got a startup that has figured out how to suck carbon from the air and turn it into rock. Now, this you like.
Sure, if I can find the article.
You remember Elon Musk put out that, prize for whoever could figure out how to... Oh, this startup's actually backed by Bill Gates. I just saw the subheading there. But Elon Musk was going to do a $100 million prize for the best carbon capture technology. He's very interested in it. I was listening to him on the latest Rogan podcast. He was discussing how he thinks this is like a key thing that humans need to figure out, hence the $100 million prize. Mm-hmm. Well, anyway, this group, who it appears is backed by Gates instead of Musk, not that it really matters in this particular story. They're based in Iceland. It's called CarbFix. Kind of sounds like a diet, but they mean carbon. Is not only capturing the carbon from the air, but also injecting it into the ground where it turns into stone, allowing the greenhouse gas to be contained safely rather than escape into the atmosphere and trap heat. How cool is that? In an interview with Bloomberg, CarbFix CEO Edda Sifpind Eradottir stated, "This is a technology that can be scaled. It's cheap and economic and environmentally friendly. Basically, we're just doing what nature has been doing for millions of years, so we are helping nature help itself." So the way that this works, by the way, the air is sucked through fans and the carbon dioxide is extracted with filters. Then it's combined with water, carbon and water, enabling them to achieve a mild acid. They then pump that below ground into basaltic rock. Then it's turned into rock itself within 2 years. And instead of going up into the atmosphere. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, shout out
as long as it doesn't hurt the fish. Or
no, because it's trapped in the rock, man.
Okay.
Don't worry, Will. It's trapped in the rock.
All right.
The fish are lovely. You can have all the seafood you like. Actually, to be honest, the seafood situation in Iceland is a big deal.
Really?
You went to Iceland? You didn't have any fish when you were there?
I don't think so.
Oh, that's weird.
No.
You know, it's like water everywhere over there.
Yes.
It's
like an island.
Yeah, there's a lot of fish going on. I feel like you were supposed to do that.
Whale is whale big there?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Have you tried?
I didn't have whale. I think I had. God, I don't remember what the fish even was. It was the special. It was delicious.
The special.
It was a special. It was delicious. It was a nice restaurant, Reykjavik, and it was caught like that day or something. I think. Which I'll often. Okay, I'll give that a shot.
Okay. Well.
I think they do something with like a fermented one as well, or maybe I'm crazy. Maybe that's some other Nordic country. Anyway, point being, get yourself back to Iceland, Will. They miss you over there.